Hi everybody. Today we are going to see about aggregate functions in SQL commands. So what do you mean by aggregate functions? Means you take a collection of values as input and return a single value. There are so much built-in aggregate functions are there: average, minimum, maximum, and to take the count of the collection of rows. So to show you the demo for aggregate functions, I have created two tables, department table and employee table. Let I show you the values in that. So there are in the department table, we have three departments, and in the employee table, I have some 7 rows in it. Actually, this employee table's department number, sorry, select start from employee 1 is the table. It actually, this department number is the foreign key which references department table. So this foreign key concept already have shown you the demo in integrity constraints video. Check my previous video. So now I'm going to use these two tables to show the demo of aggregate functions. Now let I show you what is the aggregate function min will do. Okay, select min of the particular column. You have to choose this min max. Okay, it gives the minimum and the maximum value of that particular column in the table. Okay, select min salary from employee 1 table means. So 4,000 is the minimum salary which displays that. Okay. So what is the min salary for where department number is equal to 2 means, so in that department 2, what is the minimum salary that it will display? If you see department, we have 5,000 and 6,000. Okay, two values are there. In that minimum is 6,000. So if you are not mentioning the condition in a where class, just you are mentioning the aggregate function in the table means overall minimum value in the table, it will be displaying. Okay. The same maximum value now I'm going to show you. Now select max of salary from employee 1. Means what will display? 6,000 is the maximum one. In department 2, what is the maximum? Department number equal to, let it be 1. So it is 6,000. Okay. In department 1, we have 4,000, 5,000, and this one is the 6,000. Okay. And if I want the number of rows in a table means count star. Count is another aggregate function in the SQL. You can use count star from the table name you are giving. What happens? How many number of rows are there? And have another table, department table. In that 3 rows are there. So it will display count. It display the number of count. Okay. So what is the number of count in the employee table where department number is equal to 2? Or let it be 1. Okay. How many rows are there? 3 rows are there. Okay. That it will display. Okay. Now I am going to show you what is the average salary in particular department number if you are giving, okay, particular department number, what is the average salary that you can get. Select average of AVJ. AVG is the aggregate, built-in aggregate function. This min, max, count, AVG, these are all the built-in aggregate functions available in our SQL. Okay. Select average salary as, that is for displaying. I am giving some name, AVG underscore salary from employee. One is the table name where department number is equal to 1. Okay, what happens here? So if you see, select star from employee 1 where department number is equal to 1. That alone I am displaying. So what is the average of this? This is 15,000 divided by 3 is 5,000. That we have got. Okay, if I don't know the, only I know the department name. Okay, so in the where class, how can I give the department name? And you have to use 2 tables for that. Okay, the same query. So I want the department name as marketing. I'm giving as marketing. But department name is available in the department table. Now in the employee one, we have only department number. So you have to, from table, you have to give 2 tables. And after that, if you are giving in the from class 2 tables means you have, it takes actually the cross product of the 2 tables. So in the where condition, you have to equate the primary key and the foreign key of these 2 tables. Okay. So here in the where condition, I am equating department number and employee department number. This department number is the primary key in department and department number is the foreign key in employee 1 table, which references department table. Okay. And I am just giving AND condition. Okay. So afterwards, so what happens here? So average salary of the marketing is 5,000. Okay, this marketing is nothing but this one. Okay, using the department name, if you want to specify, means you have to equate, you have to take from the department table and you have to equate the primary key and foreign key of the 2 tables, and then afterwards I'm giving the condition. Okay. If suppose, what is the use of this group by function? Means each department's average salary I need. Okay. Means you can give, select department name, comma, average salary as average salary from employee and department number. Let it be, I don't want to give the marketing because I want all the department's average salary. Okay. So group by department name. So what happens here? Group by is the one which actually used to form the groups. Okay. So each department's average salary, if you want to find out means, you have to use this group by class. Okay. So in the group by class, I want to display in the ascending order of the department name. Means you can provide the order by class. Okay. Order by department name. The particular column name you have to give for order by. These things we have seen in DDL and DML commands video itself. Okay. So what happens? So order by means it orders in the department name. So here I want to, another thing I want to tell you, if the SQL statement consists of group by and order by means, so always order by comes at the last. Okay. So always the order of the evaluation will be select class first and afterwards from class. Then it evaluates the where class, then it evaluates the group by class, then it evaluates the order by class. In this order only it will evaluate the SQL command. Okay. So another in aggregate function, so you have the having class also you can use. Okay. That I will show you. The same query. So I want to only to display the departments which have the average salary which is greater than 5,000. Means what? Only design and production will come. How to give? Means using the having class we can give. This having class should be followed. Okay. After the group by having average salary. In the having class, you can give the aggregate function. Okay, average, minimum, max, whatever you want to give as the predicate, as the condition. Aggregate function condition you can give in the having class. Okay, having average salary greater than 5,000. Then order by department name I am giving. Always order by should be at the last. So what happens here? So from the group by, after applying the group by, it applicates the predicate whose average salary is greater than 5,000. That it will display. Okay. So in this video, we have seen about the aggregate functions, min, max, and how count works, how group by function works, and how having class works, and how to give order by class. If you are using group by and having, always it should be at the last. And also we have a sum also. Another aggregate function is a sum of salary where from employee 1 where department number is equal to 1. What happens here? The sum of all the salaries, 15,000 it will come. Okay. Sum because select star from employee means so it is adding 6 plus 6,000 plus 5,000 plus 4,000 is nothing but 15,000. If you are not giving in any condition in the where class, it actually sums all the salary in the rows of the employee 1 table. Okay, that's all about the today's video. In next class, I will come up with set operations. Okay, and kindly follow my channel. I will be posting videos which will be useful for you. Thank you.